how we fidget trade, me and my friend, but my friend isn't here, so this is fake. So this is my fake tangle. This is as well, and my needle and my feel-it pad. So this is how we would fidget trade, but if we were at her house, which I'm gonna post when I'm there. Okay, offering needle, going once, going twice, going 3 times. No one wants it. Ooh, ooh, I want to offer. Okay, what do you have to offer? I'm just going to play out her part, so yeah. I know she would offer this for a needle. I'm going to offer a feel-it pad, an acupressure bracelet, a scratcher, and 1 mochi. Deal. Okay. So I just got all these. A scratcher, feel-it pad, mochi, it's a panda, and an acupressure bracelet. Okay. Now I have those to trade. Anyone gonna offer? Slime. This is how she told me to do it. I showed her all my fidgets, even if I couldn't find my marble mesh. I'll offer my brown, wait. Sorry guys, I didn't plan this out, I didn't think. Me's did not things as always. Found another fidget. Okay, oh, my script. Oops, you guys just fell over because I'm dumb. And I'm also gonna have this. My own purple mini fidget spinner. Okay, all my tangles. I'll trade my blue tangle and my scratcher, and that's all. I'm gonna accept. Here you go. Okay, you ready for how other people do it? It's about to get nuts. I'm gonna at least keep my mochi, my feel-it pad, or I'll get that feel-it pad. Okay, this is how other people trade. They're like, I'm gonna trade my scrunchies, or I'm gonna trade all my tangles, and who offers? Going once, going twice, going 3 times? Guess nobody. Ooh, me. They add 1 thing and they're like, accept. No, add more, Felicia. There's that enough? No. Is that enough now? That's 5 against 3. Ugh. Will this help? No, more. This? No. Since when? Mochi? No. Fine. A hamburger squishy? No. Ew, no. Make sure I'm getting it. An ice cream squishy? More. A blowfish squishy? No. Fine, a fidget spinner? No. Add 1 more thing and I'll accept. Fine, I didn't want to do this, but here. I pop it. Now you have to add more. Actually, accept. Fine. Haha, scammed you. That's what other people do, and then they just go off and trade different stuff like this. Any noobs around here that I can give stuff to? If so, trading fidget spinner, feel-it pad, and a neato. Ooh, I'll give you all my tangles. Except. So, that's not all of today's video. We're going to keep doing this and see who ends up with more. Or actually, that's going to be the end of this video. There will be another one coming out in a few minutes, maybe a few hours. So, yeah. like, subscribe, comment down below, and there you go. And like, comment down below for more likes. And I'm gonna get my friend online with us next time. Bye.